Welcome back to another video of the Melissa makeup. What? What's it?
Okay, that's going to be our intro. If you see how I created this recreation of Zombie Boy, then you can just keep on watching. Can't think what doing. So starting off with a white base, I used water activated white paint from Corolla. So we coated his face, neck and chest area as a base for everything else to go on. Then using a black water activated paint also by Corolla, I started adding in the details. So you're going to be sketching out the skeleton and everything that's going to make Zombie Boy. So working on the mouth and then the chest area, that's going to be kind of your main attraction. So you could spend as much or as little time on the mouth as you like. I tried to keep it simple, so I didn't carve out any teeth. I just kind of shaded them out. Moving on to the chest area, you could make any kind of patterns over here. I think the most important part about the chest piece is the collarbones and then up the neck. So the things I drew kind of looked like feathers, but let's just not call them feathers. Moving on to the neck, these are going to be like vertebrae that you're drawing onto the neck. They look simple, but as soon as you start adding shading to them, they kind of draw everything together. So this whole look is going to be put together with shading after you lay down your basic lines. And these little dents around the neck on the sides, you can make them as big or as small as you like to. The smaller they are, they're going to require a lot more detail. I kept mine kind of big so that I can work fast and make it customer friendly, if you want to say, so that everyone can recreate it. And after you've put down your basic lines, you're going to start going in with shading. So this is the fun part, because this is where everything starts getting together. Like, it just starts looking a lot more realistic. The more black you add, since I just used a powder eyeshadow and a fluffy brush, so the more black you add around the areas, the more depth it's going to add. So it's going to add that sense of realism, which is cool because that's what we're going for. So the more shading you add, the better. Don't be scared, just go in with your shading. So that's where I did my teeth. I just added some shading on the bottom of the teeth to make them look like they are standing slightly more forward. There's not a lot of detail into this, just like dotting it all over. Then moving on to the neck and chest. This is where it starts getting exciting because it looks real. So just adding a lot of shading in this area is going to make it look like there's a lot more depth. It's going to make it look like you're actually looking into the skin and like there are holes around it. So I would spend some time on this area. Then with the white paint, adding some highlights. This also just adds to the realism of it. So adding some more white highlights on areas where it's already white, it's just going to bring it more forward and just add some crisp details. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see another video of me doing makeup on someone else, especially a male, because I know I do a lot of videos for females, so if you are in favor of another male creation, let me know down in the comments. Also let me know what you would like to see, because I'm not sure how many of you guys would like to be a mermaid. Video mermaid ears?
No, thank you.
Okay, so remember to leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you have not yet, and then I will see you over on the next video. Bye!
Cheers, guys.
Wat is in je bloed? Wat is in je?